Hey guys, Scrappy K2. I want to show you some Christmas cards that I made. Yes, same old me, last minute, so I'll be getting these out tomorrow, which is Thursday. Yeah, that's really bad. So let me just show you what I did. Here's one. This right here came in a magazine, this embossing folder, so I just colored it up with some inks and cut this out for the middle and just did the inside. This is one of my colorings. I've done two like this. I did them a little bit different, but they're basically the same colors. I did these with Copics here, and this one I put stickles, and on the other one I put some red gems, and this is stickles as well. And this is I'm not really sure what backing that, embossing folder that is, and then just a little ribbon here that says Merry Christmas, and some sequins here. This one, this is from Stampin' Up!, both of these, and this is a I think this is a Jaded Blossoms, I think that's the name of it. And I just put a little bit of Winka Stella on there and put a Stampin' Up! Gold trim thing there. And this card is one that I repurposed. It was a longer card, and I just cut out one of the trees. And this is a memory box die. It came with 3 different ones. And this is a die here. And I just put a little bit of a red there, so when you close it, it's red and not just a plain white card. And this is from Versus Stamps. Okay, this is a, sorry my camera died on me. This is I did one of these last year. I did a little bit different, but last year's had red behind it, and this is gold. And this one I put embossing folder with snowflakes. And the inside, I put some more of that same paper that's behind here. And then this, I believe, is Papertree ink. And I think I had this one last year as well. I just put different colored, and I got glue on that. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. It's coming off. Foil paper on that one. And this one I thought turned out pretty good. This is a stamp, and I just stamped it 3 times and put some little gems, different colored gems on each one, and put snow down here with stickles. And I think this is a memory box. Not quite sure, but I put different colored glitter paper behind each one. Thought that turned out pretty cute. And same thing here is a memory box. And this, I think, is, I'm not sure. If you want to know, let me know. If you want to know what's what, and I didn't say what it was, just let me know and I'll tell you what it is. Put some sequins on here. Some little snow stuff down here. And it's one of those that cuts out the middle as well. So I had to put a green thing on the inside so it would show up on the outside. So, and then this one I think I did last year as well. This came from a magazine also, and it's an embossing folder is what it is actually, except these are stamps here and these are stamps, and this is a stamp and that's a stamp. But these are dies that came with it, but the whole door and this part here is all an embossing folder. So I did it in white and I did it in red and cut out the red door and put it on the white one, and then I just colored the white part of the door. So, and that's it. I'm probably going to make some more, but they're not going to go out this year. They'll probably go out next year, or I'll save them to send to somebody. So let me know what you think. I had fun making them, but I hate it when I get to the last minute. I need to start making like 1 or 2 a month so that I don't have a last minute thing going on. It kind of stresses me out. But anyway, talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.